The National Employment Program, or NEP, through the government of the Commonwealth of Dominica have officially launched a hospitality and apprenticeship training program. Parliamentary representative for the Portsmouth constituency and Minister for Trade, Energy and Employment, Ian Douglas, explained that the program forms part of government's growth and social protection strategy to have the youth become equipped and knowledgeable enough to combat scientific and technological challenges Dominica is faced with.
We have to ensure that our population is trained to be able to meet those challenges, and that's really why we are here today. That is the purpose for us being here today, to ensure that when the bois cutlets and the petit colibris are ready to take off, the building, the structures are in, the furniture is in, the guests are coming in, but the component of the service that these people will receive is very important. And if we do not have you who are here on the ground, ready, willing and able and trained to provide that service, no matter how much chandeliers and how much beautiful glass and how much expensive champagne and wine, and the bed can be double beds that they sleep in, but the service isn't there to complement all those amenities, then those places will not be a success. So the success of those investments really depend on you.
Douglas stated that the government of Dominica have implemented several training programs after having recognized the urgent need to prepare the youth in order that they become better able to address the challenges expected on striving towards Dominica's continued development. Hence, one of the reasons for the implementation of the Hospitality Apprenticeship Training Program.
The past 2 years, we have been aggressively pursuing training initiatives with a view to preparing young persons for the job market. Because there's one thing to have all of the opportunities in the investments that those investments will create. But if we do not have the persons to take advantage of those opportunities, then it's almost like these investors will have to bring people in from foreign lands, from Antigua and St. Martin, from Indonesia and the Philippines, to work as waitresses and bartenders and backroom operations and front desk managers if you are not equipped. And what would that do?
Douglas was pleased to see the turnout and appreciated the willingness of the young women who decided to form part of the training module. However, knowing that most of the functions in the hospitality industry need young men, he hopes that soon enough more of the young men will come on board and participate in programs such as these.